all three of us together. Woohoo. So Knock, what would be your
Okay.
favorite character to use?
I only have two characters, so I'm probably gonna just be a basic bitch.
Oh,
Basic commando, right?
Because I don't play this game nearly enough.
same. I'm mostly Vrchat. You know this.
Just gotta ready it up, Matt.
Oh,
Oh,
that's right. My
drop.
bad. I got ready up as well.
Yeah.
I will never ready for you.
In the midst of Ebola!
Yeah.
You know what's funny? The background of the Ugandan Knuckles for this face rig is like that cabin that we.
Oh yeah,
Kind of
that snowy
shoulder.
cabin. The one where I
Yeah.
yelled at guys and they just were mean to me.
Yeah. It's literally what the background of this Ugandan Knuckles. Like what I have back here.
Good times. Yeah, I kind of noticed that too. I also saw you did a stream with your last stream with on Ugandan. I don't know what you were playing. Pokemon?
Yeah.
I thought so. I enjoyed that. That was funny.
People were cracking up. Oh,
Uh,
I had a person cracking up and follow me, and then he wanted me to join them in raid battles.
no, just raid battles. Like,
Yeah. Well, I already. That's all post game there is in this game, in that game right now.
oh god, there's three. Nope, two. Um, Cyclops.
Because I'll be getting my check on Christmas Eve.
My Christmas present from you.
Face rig for Ebola!
Ebola. So when we do like streams of VR chat again, that's the Ebola.
We'll just have a freaking face cam of Ugandan Knuckles.
We gotta be careful
Why
with
you
this guy.
aggro me? Why you aggro me? Why? I don't
What
do
have they
damage.
not done to you?
Because you're the weakest.
God damn
it. So messed up.
I use number 2 with my 16 button mouse.
Boom. That's right. We have killed the imposter queen.
Oh shit, I'm gonna fall.
Don't fall off. Do
Will I
not want
die
to die.
forever?
Maybe?
No.
I think so. Oh, it'll teleport you back, but you lose some health though
Yeah.
in the end.
It's a kitty.
Isn't that the crown that made me lost my money?
Yeah, money, yeah.
Why isn't it dying?
Why do we have that
It is
crown?
powerful.
Oh, hack.
Oh, if I was going live here soon.
Okay, stay in this bubble.
Yes, if you want to live.
Okay, get out of the bubble if I want to die.
Yeah.
Yes.
You lose like what? 3% health?
No,
Really?
you lose like,
Oh shit, that's
take
fast.
2 damage like every half second. So you take 2 points of damage.
Okay.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage.
Buddhas. That's a lot of damage, my Buddhas.
That is a lot of damage, my Buddhas.
I can't do a lot of damage to flying enemies.
Where the beam is.
I'm scared.
You got
Just
this.
run.
Dying.
Just run. Go in the bubble and you'll be fine. Okay, don't get hit by birds. There's
Okay,
a chance
get
they'll
hit by
stick a
birds.
grenade on you.
To do what?
There's a chance they'll stick a grenade on you.
Oh, I thought you said mate on me.
Oh, fuck ya.
You fuck you good. But you won't feel it though. But
True.
they're gonna fuck you.
But that's also the downside, you can't feel it.
That's the best there. That's my favorite part. I won't be able to feel it.
When I scratch my nose, the Ugandan Knuckles just.
Do you know the way?
Oh my god.
No, brother. Your
Buddha.
bullet wearing off.
Ebola with cheese!
With the cheese!
With the cheese!
Man, it's all up to you. No pressure,
Just
by the
reach
way.
this portal. Oh no, I have to reach this portal. Whatever am I gonna do?
And then all of a sudden, just a big hand of God.
Smacks
reaches
you.
around
Smashes me.
My sacrifice was in vain, Buddhas.
Buddhas from Ace Play Scheme. Who does?
That's why I didn't want to play Siege because I was gonna team kill you guys. Probably.
Don't worry, team kills all the time.
Speaking of team killing, I can activate those meteorites, and it deals damage to everybody. Enemies, friendlies. And it only
I
drops
got
two
a teddy
items.
bear.
At least you're supporting Delirious.
Who's delirious?
Uh,
I can hear him too.
I'll protect you, Jeff. Yeah, call him a boomer.
They're calling you a boomer, dude.
Right now. I fucking swear to God.
He's a crazy person.
I don't know nobody.
I'm gonna blow up. Act like I don't know nobody.
All of a sudden you see him outside your window.
It's like probably gonna be on then.
I'm gonna be surprised.
I just picture him as the goose.
The goose.
Just honking at him.
But I know before you weren't able to. Ebola! Or depression ball.
Oh, I don't like the bosses, dude. I don't like the bosses.
Oh, don't worry,
Oh.
Daisy.
I use depression balls on them.
Oh god. The pressure balls hurt. The pressure balls hurt.
No.
I don't like this.
They don't love me like that.
Oh.
Why is you so much?
I fucking kill you. I use depression balls. I don't have anybody to love.
Oh,
I
I
cannot love
hate you.
again.
No, I hate this. God damn it. Okay.
Why you hate
Jellyfishes.
depression balls?
No, I hate the jellyfish. The pressure balls are fine.
I can
Depression
stay
balls
here
are
long
killing me
enough.
actually. I don't know why I keep using them.
They're just fun.
As an extra mechanic to a boss fight.
Yes, it does.
I'm on the
Fucking
jellyfish's
fun.
head. I'm on his head.
I've been on their heads.
How do you like me now? How do you like me now?
Ah, god damn it! No, depression balls killed me.
What was it?
The Kenny of the group.
Oh my god, they killed Doc!
Ah!
They're bastards!
I think depression got to knock finally.
You died multiple times, and now is the time that finally gets you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill you with my feet.
Depression balls!
No,
Bust
not the
them
pressure
out.
balls.
It's like, god damn it, Knock! Stop with your depression!
They don't even hit these jellyfish.
Really?
Yeah, they're in the air.
God damn it! I'm gonna die in vain. It's all up to you, Jay.
What? Am I the only one alive?
Yeah.
Just go get K right now, Jeff. Get all these
Oh, you're doing
ropes.
pretty well. I think you got this.
Yeah, I do. So I actually get items.
What's an item? How do I do item?
I don't know. But I'm a flying lizard now.
I had like 4 items.
Hey Basgals, how's it going? Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun streaming with my friend and also my cousin, J285. I hope you guys enjoyed my Risk of Rain video. If you do, please leave a like. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification. And if you are also new, go check out my Twitch channel. Jeff Killed God. So I hope you all have a good night, good day, wherever you are. And yeah, that's it. Hope to see you in the next stream or video. Peace.